about that. And even if you are running yourself as a monetized channel, please always give yourself breaks. Even if you're trying to get watch hour, if you run yourself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, at least give a 2 days break. Okay, give a 2 days break, because if you keep running yourself every day, 7 days a week, 24 hours a week, there is a way that that machine will depict your device. Even if you're clearing your history, there's something they call the IP address. I don't know if you know about that, the IP address, where YT can tell where your views are coming from. Like if you lost your computer, they can use your IP address to track it. I don't know if you know all this technology, but that's one thing YT uses to locate where your views are coming from. Guys, I hope these lessons I'm giving here are very helpful. Okay, it's not all about getting bananas. If you get bananas and you cannot keep them, if you get bananas and you cannot make more income, then there is no need for the bananas. Okay, so I hope we're not in a hurry to get the bananas, but to get all this knowledge that I am giving to us. I am back. Let's break. Okay, all personal. Thank you for coming back. Yes, IP address. Yes, blessing amazed. I'm saying TV, welcome to the live stream. Thank you. I hope you shared me. Yes, this is a great lesson, guys. As I was saying, there's a way you can play your do your playlist as a monetized channel, and honestly, that is what I'm doing here. This one is reserved for my members. So if you want to get more of this knowledge, please just click on that join button and join my membership, and we will just be getting more of this. I told you guys, I am a stay-at-home person. I'm not working for now, so I have all the time to be doing this research. So if you don't have the time to be doing this research, or I'm breaking these things down, then don't worry, just join my membership. I'll be doing the work for you. Okay, of course, at a very minor sum. Okay, check your health, continue, you're on point. Thank you, check your health. The Vicky TV, thank you for joining the live stream. You're welcome. Lala Kechi, hi, my beautiful Lala Kechi. Thank you for joining the live stream. You are so much welcome. Oh my God, guys, have you grabbed Lala Kechi? Only her beauty will just make you to be glued to her channel. So anybody who can, please share me out. Please share me out. Great information. Yeah. Yes, guys, for those who are running themselves, always try to click on that link, the advert link that will redirect you. On the redirection link, they also have a video that can even play for up to 30 minutes. Okay, don't watch it completely. Just make as if excuse me, just make as if you want to sign up, and then you close the page and you go back to your video. You continue watching the ads for 1 to 2 minutes, then you skip the ads, guys. Don't go to that link and come back and complete the ads. I don't know if I'm making sense. Don't go to that link and come back and complete the ads, because when you go to that link, the link gives you all the information that you need. So if you come back to the ads and you want to make as if you want to complete the ads, that will be called cheating. Okay, because you have clicked on that link that have given you double the amount. There's no need for you to come back and complete the ads. Is someone understanding what I'm saying? Okay, guys, so you you implement all these things that I'm telling you and mark the day up to date and try to observe your channel. Okay, and if you see any positive feedback, I want you to come and give a feedback on my channel. Lala Kechi is calling on blessing amaze. Hello, sis. Hello. The Delicious Kitchen visiting you. The Delicious Kitchen, are you still in the building? Thank you for coming. White Bunny, you're welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for coming in. How was your night? I hope you slept well. Okay, guys. At Blessing Amaze, you're not responding to my message. Blessing, I hope I've answered your question this far. Guys, please, if you can, share me out. I'm begging. So if you have any more questions, you can give. Relaxing Mood TV, thank you for being here. And again, guys, if you are here and you are not yet monetized, you don't yet have 1,000 subscribers,